What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And also this week we got a lot of amazing A-Frames. We are going more into the summertime, so this means more chrome domes and also some sandy colors like camel, right? Because you guys requested some hats with camel and maybe a pop of color in there. And I would say, without further ado, let's go into this and take a look at these amazing A-frames. And the first one that I would like to show off is a new logo, and you probably have already seen it in our stories. And this is the New York Yankees, and this is a fantastic logo. So you got a chrome dome and you got this navy button visor, and this logo is really cool. You got the State of Liberty in the front, and then you got this New York Arch script, which you also have on the back. So looks absolutely amazing. And then you got the World Series 2000 side patch on this beautiful hat, the New York Yankees with the New York script in the front. And look at these details from the State of Liberty. It looks absolutely amazing. Gray UV, black guts, and then you got on the back also a navy snap. So that's the first one. And the second one, I can already tell you, this is a new logo from the Chicago Cubs. And this thing is shiny. It's absolute shiny. So we got a black visor button, a chrome dome, and look at this beauty. I mean, come on. Shoutouts to New Era at this point. These hats are getting better and better each week. They look so great. The embroidery is so on top, and this is not that easy because we are using so much metallics, right? And this means this has to be really on point when you embroider this. And look at the shine. I mean, super clean hat. You got this Cubs in the front, Sweet Home Chicago on the side, beautiful hat. And then you got the black snap, black button visor, gray UV, black guts, the Chicago Cubs, Sweet Home Chicago. This is the second one. And then sometimes, you know, you're looking for all these crazy logos, and then some of you guys are coming, say, two of the greatest logos that you guys really like is the Yankee script, and the second one is this electric Atlanta Braves. And so we wanted to make other versions out of that too. First one, the electric Braves. The second one, now you got a Kelly green UV to make it more vintage. And this is really different. If you're using that metallic silver, you can see it on the outline. On the chrome white, it looks amazing. And this outline is in silver, and the electrics here are also in silver. And then you got this navy button visor, and you got this wonderful World Series 95. And this red pops off so crazy off this hat. It's beautiful. So you got a navy snap on the back, and as I already said, a Kelly green UV, black guts, the electric Braves, chrome, two-tone. And now the next hat is super clean. Another Yankees, gray UV, and just black and chrome. Silver details, World Series 96 side patch. That's exactly what you guys requested. Super clean, Yankee script in the front. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this hat. It's so clean, it looks so amazing. Then you got the black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, the Yankees 96 World Series, black and chrome. I would say chrome, not white, right? So, a lot of you guys were asking for new teams, new logos, and we are still waiting on a new delivery. And this new delivery is going to be huge. That's what I can already tell you. And what I also want to do is, like, I want to sync it a little bit better with Topper Store and Topper Store USA, what we are releasing. There should be, starting like in 2 to 3 weeks, that all the A-frames that we are dropping are coming to both stores, right? So there might be a delay of 1 to 2 weeks or something like that, but we want to give you guys more chances on international releases, so just that you know. So this will not be for all the hats, but we're also trying to do it like on the fitteds that you have more chances. So, super nice spring summer colorway. The Shohei Ohtani. And this time in blush, Vegas gold, and this combination is absolutely crazy. So we wanted to try some more crazy stuff. Got this Vegas Gold snap on the back, and this blush color combo looks really, really cool. Gray UV, black guts, the comic Shohei Ohtani, gold, pink, blush, Vegas Gold. This is going to be only available in a limited amount. So if you want to have this hat, you gotta be fast. And now let's come to our second part of the Camel Sparkling Grape drop that we already released 2 hats. There are 2 more and some more are coming. First one I would like to show off is this beautiful Toronto Blue Jays with the golden details. And then you also got the All-Star Game 91 side patch. Whole hat is camel snap on the back, and you got this special sparkling grape UV, and this goes so well together with all these colors. That's the first one. And the second one is this kanji in that same colorway. And then you got the Shohei Ohtani comics side patch on the side. And also here you got this grape, sparkling grape UV. And you also got this shimmering LA here on the back. This is not metallic, it's just like shimmering. Pops off really, really good. And then you got this camel snap on the back. These 2 are also dropping this week at Topper Store. Let me know your favorites of this video. Let me know which teams you would like to see next. There are also 950 A-frames already on the way. We already got another pack of 5 panels, and there is also coming, I mean, this is amazing A-frames. It's not an A-frame, but this week there are coming a lot of 950 snapbacks. So not A-frames, regular 950 snapbacks. I know that a lot of you guys are also chasing them, and there will be a drop every day. So watch out, go to the store, go to Topper Store, and watch out for those 950 A-frames. There are 950 snapbacks. There are also a lot of these coming to the store now. Hit the like button if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button if you have not hit the subscribe button so far, and join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topper Store family. I would like to thank you. Visit also our Discord. There you can share your hats with other crazy hat enthusiasts and collectors. And if you want to see more fitted hats, tune in on Sunday to my top 3 video of the week, and also come to the stream on Monday. We are streaming every Monday live here on YouTube and showing off all the fitted hats of the week. So thank you very much for tuning in. That's it for this week, and next week I'll be back with more amazing A-frames. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm out. Bye.